Alright, folks, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a roadside emergency that we've all probably faced at some point, the dreaded flat tire. Shot of a flat tire. You've got to be kidding me. A nail. Yep, that sums it up. A flat tire is never a fun experience, but knowing how to handle it can save you time, money, and a whole lot of stress. Today, we're going to walk through a temporary fix using a tire plug kit. This will get you back on the road safely, so you can get home or to the tire shop. This is a highly practical skill that every driver should know. First things first, safety. Before you do anything, pull over to a safe location, away from traffic. Turn on your hazard lights. If possible, park on a level surface. Gather your tools. You'll need your tire plug kit, which typically includes plug strips, a plug insertion tool, a reamer tool, and sometimes a lubricant. You'll also need your jack, lug wrench, and your car's owner's manual. The manual will tell you the proper jacking points for your specific vehicle. Next, assess the damage. Locate the puncture. Carefully remove whatever caused the flat, like a nail or a screw. Inspect the tire for any other damage, like sidewall punctures or large cuts. If the damage is in the sidewall, or if the puncture is too large, a plug won't work, and you'll need to call for a tow. This repair is only for punctures in the tread area. Now, let's prep the tire. Use the reamer tool to clean and rough up the puncture hole. Push the reamer in and out several times, rotating it to ensure a good seal. This is an important step to help the plug adhere properly. Next, grab a plug strip. Thread the plug strip through the eye of the insertion tool. Make sure that about an equal amount of the plug strip is on both sides of the tool. Now for the plug insertion. Apply some lubricant to the plug and the insertion tool to help it slide in easily. Push the insertion tool with the plug strip firmly into the puncture hole. Push it in until only about half an inch of the plug remains outside the tire. This might take some effort. Do not insert the plug at an angle, push straight in. Slowly remove the insertion tool, leaving the plug in place. The plug should now be sealed in the tire. Finally, trim the excess. Using a sharp knife or the tool provided in your kit, trim the excess plug material flush with the tire's surface. Don't leave too much of the plug sticking out. Now, inflate the tire to the recommended pressure, which you can find on a sticker inside your driver's side door or in your owner's manual. Check the tire pressure with a gauge. If you have a portable air compressor, great. If not, use your spare tire to get to the tire shop, or use the air at a gas station. And there you have it, folks. You've successfully performed a temporary tire repair using a plug kit. This repair is designed to get you home, or to a tire shop, where a professional can inspect the tire and perform a permanent repair or replace the tire. Remember to drive cautiously after the repair, and keep an eye on the tire pressure. Always replace the tire as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and stay safe on the road.